developments coming in. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar is set to visit the United States from December 24 to 29. The External Affairs Minister will meet counterparts to discuss key bilateral, regional and global issues. During the visit, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will also chair a conference of the Consul Generals of India in the USA. This is the first high-level official visit to the United States following Donald Trump's victory in the presidential poll. So, Mehdi, now we are seeing External Affairs Minister is set to visit United States. What exactly is the agenda of his visit?
Priya rightly said, MEA S. Jaishankar will begin a 6-day tour to the United States today, and this marks the first high-level trip from India after Donald Trump has won the US presidential elections. And according to the official statement by the MEA, also the minister will also meet his counterparts to discuss key bilateral, regional, and also global issues. And talking more about this visit, said that the statement given by the MEA, then it has also been said that Jaishankar will also chair a conference of the, Council General there. So this is a very important meet that will be happening for 6 days, and S. Jaishankar will be, meeting the counterparts there. So yes, a lot is there in the visit also, because a lot will be discussed whether in the United States Jaishankar will be holding talks with the American counterpart Antony Blinken also and other officials in what is likely to be the last engagement between New Delhi and also the outgoing Biden administration. So Jaishankar also at an event has mentioned that Donald Trump, who is set to take charge as the US president for the second term on January 20, has had a positive political view of India. And also Jaishankar noted that Trump's stance on India was much more advantageous position than many other countries to build deeper relations with his administration. So at the same time, Jaishankar also noted that like many other countries, India may also, have some issues, and it will deal with them. Both the countries will sit on a table and will come to a common ground and will discuss those issues. And the India-US relations have witnessed a major upswing during Trump's first term as the US president from 2017 to 2021. So the relations between the two countries has expanded further under the Joe Biden administration in diverse fields, including in high technology and defense also.
Thank you so much for joining us on the telecast and sharing those details. Moving on, some news coming in from Bangladesh. Bangladesh has sent a